Y'all ready for this? The Wagyu of pork is here. Get up, pork chops coming at you right now on Buzz Cooks. Get up, pork chops coming at you right now on Buzz Cooks. Sear it hot in the skillet, it goes pepper and salt.
All right, let's get into this Wagyu of pork, the Kurobuta pork chop. It is the best you will ever have. Go to your butcher, pick up a few. You can thank me later. So I've got my cast iron skillet out with the grill marks. Got it on smoking hot high. And we're just gonna set those in and just season with a little bit of salt and pepper. That's it. And we're gonna go about 2 minutes. And then we're just gonna give them a little rotation. And this is gonna give us those super nice grill marks that we like so much. Just like that. We'll go another 2 minutes and then we'll flip them over. And that's what you're looking for right there. Restaurant quality grill marks. Alright, we'll go another 2 minutes and then I'm gonna pop these in the oven. I've got a meter and one pork chop, and I have it set to 165 degrees, so it'll let me know when they are just about done. You can actually go with Kurobuta pork 145, but I like to go 165 just to be safe, and these are so tender and delicious that it doesn't make a difference as far as how moist they become and how tender they are if you go to 165. So we'll slide those in the oven. And while those are cooking, we're gonna work on a pea puree, which is delicious, trust me. I got 2 cloves of minced garlic at the bottom there. I've got 2 cups of frozen peas that I'm gonna pop on there. I'm gonna go with 1 big tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And we'll put the blades on this and fire it up. Now, if you have run into the problem that I run into here, which is after I started to blend this up, it was still a little too thick. Just add a little bit of chicken broth to it, and that will help you bring it down where it's workable. So we'll put a little broth in there and we'll blend up again. While I'm doing that, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Make sure you tell your friends and family about the show. Every Sunday, every Wednesday, a new show comes out. Hit that button to stay up to date on newest recipes. I appreciate y'all very much. So now, we'll take this out and it'll be the perfect thickness. Yep, that's it. So we'll pull out our pork chops. They're done. Look at those. Oh my God. Perfect. So we're going to double check with our other thermometer just to make sure. Yep, everything's perfect. So we're going to let those rest for about 5 minutes. And while those are resting, I'm going to get out my maiden saucepan, put the puree into the saucepan, and turn up the heat. And we're going to heat up that puree. Look at that. And once that's gets nice and hot, we're going to take a big spoonful, put it on our plate, and then we'll take our pork and we'll put our pork right in the middle of that puree, and that's how we're going to serve it. Top it off with just a little bit of paprika, and you have the Wagyu of pork. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
The Wagyu of pork is here. Get up, pork chops coming at you right now on Buzz Cooks. Get up, pork chops coming at you right now on Buzz Cooks. Sear it hot in the skillet, it goes pepper and salt. That's all it needs, simple it shows. Flip it quick, get that golden brown into the oven now. Best pork in town. Kurobuta, the king of the chop. One juicy bite, and you'll never stop. like, share, subscribe, and remember a new show every Sunday and Wednesday. While it cooks, let's make something smooth. A pea puree to get in the groove. 2 cups frozen peas, garlic so fine. A spoon of Dijon, blended divine. Heat it up, plate it right, green and gold. Looking down on money, now slice that pork, tender and cold.